Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach finding area of irregular shapes. That means how can we find the area of irregular shapes? That one today I will teach you. And for that one, today I will discuss the exercise 14.3. And in exercise 14.3, first question has given what? That one you see. Find the area of each of the following irregular shapes. So following some irregular shapes are given, and we will have to find the area of this irregular shapes. So in here question number A, in here one irregular shape is given, and from here we will have to find the area of it. Okay, so find the area of this shape. First, inside of this shape, how many small squares are there? That one we will have to count. Okay, but in here you should observe which one is more than half. That one you should let what? 1. And which one is less than half, that one you should avoid from here. And 2 half, okay, suppose 2 halves are there, then 2 halves, that one you should let 1. So by this process we will have to find the area of this shape like this you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 2 halves, then 11. So you can write its area is equal to what? 11 square unit. Similarly, in question number B, one irregular shape is given, and how can we find the area of it? That one is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 2 halves, then 7 and 1 half, then 7.5. So you can write its area is equal to what? 7.5 square unit. And in question number C, one irregular shape is given. So how can we find its area? You see, in here 2 halves, actually a little less than half, then you can let it half. Okay, so 2 halves, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In here 2 halves, then what? 6. In here 2 halves, that means 1 full, that means 7. So its area will be what? Area is equal to 7 square unit. Okay, so my dear student, from here question number D and E, these two match homework for you, you should practice at home. Okay, and question number 2, this one is not important for the exam, so I have cut it, and this question is no need for you. Okay, now I am going to discuss the revision exercise 14. Okay, so which exercise now I will discuss? Revision exercise 14. And in this exercise, first question given what? Take the correct answer. In here question number A, the perimeter of a square whose side is 6 cm is option number 1 30 cm, option number 2 12 cm, option number 3 24 cm, option number 4 36 cm. Okay, so among these 4 options, which option is correct? That one we should take out. But first we should observe the question very nicely. You see, in this question given the side of a square is 6 cm, but the perimeter of a square we know what? 4 into side. So 4 into side, its measurement is 6 cm. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24 cm. And this 24 cm, this one is given or not among these 4 options? We are looking in option number 3, 24 cm is given. So this option is what? Correct option, and you can tick it. Okay. Now question number B, the sum of lengths of all the sides of a figure is called its option number 1 total length, option number 2 perimeter, option number 3 area, option number 4 boundary. So as per this question, what we can say, it is actually what? The total length of a boundary of the closed figure, and that is what? Perimeter. So its correct option will be perimeter. So option number 2 you can take it. Okay. Next question number C, you see in here Nita wants to put a band around her wrist. Okay, Nita wants to put a band around her wrist. Understood? A band, actually Nita wants to put around her wrist. So for that she needs to know the dash of the wrist. What? Area? Perimeter? Both? None of this. So which option is correct? Option number 2, perimeter. Because in here we will have to take the total length of the band. And the total length of the band will be what? Perimeter of the band. Okay, that's why option number 2, perimeter, it is correct option. And question number D, which figure A or B has more area? So in here two figure has given for us, and among these two figures whose area is more, that one we will have to take out. And for that one, 4 options given. Option number 1 figure A, option number 2 figure B, option number 3 both have the same area, and option number 4 cannot say. Okay, cannot say. So among these 4 options, which one is correct? How can we find it? You see, in here area will be what? By the counting process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in both of these figure we are looking, their area is same. So option number 3, both have the same area. This is the correct option. Okay. Next, question number 2 and question number 3, their solutions already I have given in my live class, and I think every student you have written this solution. Okay. Okay, my dear student. So today exercise 14.3 and revision exercise 14. This 2 exercise over, and next day I will start new chapter. That chapter will be what? Chapter number 15. Okay. And in this chapter what has given? Data handling, and that chapter number 15 will be the last chapter for you. Okay. And after this exercise I will take only class test. Okay, take care. Bye bye.